Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best combination disc and belt sanders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Combination Disc and Belt Sanders. Belt and disc sanders are ideal combination machines for tackling a variety of surfacing and shaping needs on projects. Taking up little space in your shop, these portable sanders can be easy stored away when not in use. Their rotating discs use easy-to-apply pressure-sensitive adhesive-backed sandpaper, with their work tables offer great control for touching up board ends. Number 5. Jet 708-596 KJSG 96 6-inch stand belt/disc sander. We see a future built on great brands, great products and great. In every facet of our business we leverage the strengths of our global infrastructure. Main features: quick lock handle, convenient tracking adjustment, 1-year limited warranty. Number 4. WEN 6515 1-inch by 30 inches belt sander with 5 inches sanding disc. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 1 by 30-inch belt and a 5-inch disc. Main features: 2.3 A motor provides up to 3,160 fpm. Sturdy heavy-duty base. 2-year warranty. Number 3. Buck Tool BD 4801 bench belt sander and disc sander. 2-in-1 sanding machine includes both a 4 by 36-inch belt and a 8-inch disc. Angle adjustable work table with miter gauge used. Main features: constructed from durable ABS plastic. Motor direct drive design. Sturdy cast aluminum base. Number 2. PowerTech BD 4600 belt disc sander for woodworking. This premium 2-to-1 combination sander was designed to maximize your workspace, while delivering multifunctional sanding applications. Main features: quick release belt change. 4.3 amp induction motor. Precision tracking system. Number 1. Buck Tool belt disc sander 4 inches by 36 inches belt. The belt can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees for horizontal and vertical sanding depending on the needs of your project. Main features: motor direct drive design. Sturdy cast aluminum base. Quick sander belt replacement design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.